Hey guys, I'm RJ Roberti with Scott Equipment Company. I'm a automation specialist for Scott Equipment, and I focus on our motion control products, especially servo motors and the Kollmorgen line. And today we're here to talk about Kollmorgen Essentials, which is a new line of servos from Kollmorgen that's more standardized, easier to stock, and we actually keep stock of it here at our facility in Charlotte. And to explain more about it, we have Chris from Kollmorgen, and he's going to go over some of the features and benefits of the Essentials platform.
Thank you, RJ. As you said, I'm Chris with Kollmorgen, here to talk about a new exciting servo platform that Kollmorgen has released. Kollmorgen has been a leader in servo motion control applications for the last 100 plus years, solving the most challenging motion applications. Kollmorgen has evolved our servo platform to tackle the everyday servo solutions, where value and size and selection and flexibility are as important as performance. We have released the Essential Servo platform with a significantly reduced SKU count, making it easy to size and select. On the drives, we have all the popular field buses in the same box, allowing you to connect to any of the popular motion control and PLC manufacturers on the market today, as well as standardized cable lengths that are made to stock and ready to go. Thank you, RJ, for the time to introduce our Kollmorgen Essentials platform.
Thanks for going over everything. Just to reiterate, we do keep stock on all of this in our Charlotte facility at Scott Equipment. We have motors, all the standard sizes from 200 watt all the way up to 3 kilowatt. So if you have an application, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager. Thanks for your time today.